Ouch.
Okay guys, dito tayo para mag-chess. Okay, paano mag-chess? Game na. Aray ko, sakit. Start na tayo. Okay. Mabilis lang to. We will just recall how to graph. Although you will not graph dun sa aralings. But you will just be identifying points from the graph of the quadratic equation. Okay, particularly on how to determine the following. First, vertex. Ito yun. Okay, so you must know how to determine that. Next, I mean, we will not compute anything. You will just be, tapos, identify nyo lang. First, vertex. Then second, the x-intercepts. Okay? Kung ito yung Cartesian plane, wait. Okay. No glol. Pangit ng drawing pa rin. So, yan. So, again, dun sa aralings nyo, you will not identifying the vertex, the x-intercepts, and the y-intercepts. Okay, re-recall lang natin paano yun. So, here, how's it? Paano? So, vertex. Vertex is this one. 2. So, that's 2. Then, 1, 2, 3. 2, negative, 3. Vertex. So, doon you will type your answer as a vertex. Next. Okay. Oh yeah, negative 2 pala. Thank you, Sangil. Thanks. So therefore, the x-intercepts are 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4, 0, at saka 1. 1. Okay? Kung yung x-intercept, yung values or points na tinamaan y-axis. So, ito si y-intercept. Okay? So, nasan siya? 1, 2. So, y-intercept is at 0, negative 2. And then, lastly, ang i-identify ay yung equation ni directrix. Directrix is the line that makes or that divides your parabola. Okay? So, ito yung line. If this is your line, yun na. Ano equation nito? So, your directrix is always x equals. Laging x equals because it's parallel to the x-axis. And it's simply a straight line. Vertical line. Okay? So, anong point dumaan yung directrix sa 1, 2? So, negative 2. So, x is negative 2. So, again, ang gagawin lang, identify si vertex, si x-intercepts, directrix. Okay na? Wala ibang kulay. Isa pa. Nawawala yung net ko. One more. Okay. Y-intercepts at saka yung equation ng directrix. So, kaya wag na mag-aalala kasi you will not graph anymore. You will not graph the equation anymore. Meron na dong graph. Identify nyo lang yung apat na yun. Okay? So, again, sige. I'll draw another one. Okay? Identify the vertex. So basically, si vertex, laging dinadaanin ni directrix yan. Okay? Ito yung directrix, kung saan sila nagkita. Okay? So we have 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Next. Second, we have to get the x-intercepts. Ano ulit yung x-intercept? X is true. So, ito yung graph. Dito dumaan sa x-axis. Itong point na to. Sa kabilang side naman, dito siya dumaan. So, anong points yung mga yun? So, those are the x-intercepts. So, we have this one first. So, that's negative 1, 0. So, those are your x-intercepts. Next, we also have to look for the y-intercept. Yan ang sinabi ko, kung x-intercept dumaan sa x-axis, si y-intercept naman dumaan sa y-axis dito. So we have 1, 2, 3. So that's 0, 3. Then last, we have to look for the equation ni directrix. Okay? Alika na yung 4. 1, 2, 2. Laging yun ang equation ni directrix. So 1, 2. So x is 2. Wala answer dun sa kabila. Okay? So, yun lang for, tama ba? Okay. Very good. Okay na ba? Next na tayo. You will not solve there. I mean, you will not put your solution anymore. Ang gagawin nyo na, just look for the missing values there. It's okay. So now let's move. So we have 4 types of variation again, and they are the direct, inverse, okay? 10 word problem yan. And I believe you could easily identify naman which among those types of variation yung nasa problem because we use the terms for direct like directly and proportional to, okay? Then for inverse, inversely, for joint at saka inverse. Okay? But let's just recall how to do the equation lang. Kasi with the help of the equation, mas madali na siya. Okay? Sino si Kai Celus Rice? Equals kx. Okay? Y equals kx. Next, kapag inverse naman, y equals k over x. Then, ilang items ba yun? 50 items. I mean, items. Pag sinabi mo kasing items, I'm not sure. Sige nga, check ko. Wait. So, 15, 25, 27, 37 items lahat. So, merong true or false, multiple choice, then problem solving, at saka yung sa graph. Z for joint variation. Then, lastly, we have y equals kx over z. As you can see, merong directly at saka merong inversely. Kaya siya combined variation. Okay? All live stream to. So, I think yun lang ang mga kailangan natin recall. Ipopost ko na lang yung PowerPoint ko para at least makakatulong. Okay? So, sa mga ola dyan, ayusin nyo. Ayusin nyo yung pagsagot ha. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay? Sa mga ola, meron kayong makikitang mga item doon na basta, may makikita kayo doon. Lang this one. Kaya nga tayo nag-formative. I believe you have your formatives, tama? Meron kayong formatives. Nasa inyo yun. So, gamitin nyo yun. Sir, sa combined variation, possible po ba na 3 types of variation in one equation? It's not possible to have 3 types kasi take note that direct variation is joint variation is direct variation. And sure, kailan mo kukunin yung square root sa second equation? Like, ano ang palatandaan? Your general equation will be your guide. Kung ano yung general equation. Problem. Okay, wala siyang palatandaan. Basahin lang na maigi. Okay? Basahin nyo lang ng maigi. Kung tingin nyo, hindi nyo naman alam na hindi smart guess, then sino si Alpha Q? Sige, next time. Mabagal lang din yung net kasi. So, if there's no more question, mag-ingat na lang kayo dyan. Okay? Stay safe. Wala nang lalabas. Okay? So, we will do this again. Wait lang kayo. But I'll just be posting videos na lang. Sige na. Bye-bye. Good luck. Galingan nyo. Sorry kasi, hindi kasama yung quadrilaterals. Dalawa lang. Quadratic equation and ano to? Meron pa. Ay, naku, si Divine. Divine. Review nyo na lang ulit yung mga na-late. Oh, yung middle, sulat nyo late yan ha. No, you just watch it again after this. Okay. Sige, magbigay tayo nung may square root na lang. Para manahimik. Sige, example. If C varies jointly as D and D equals 1 and E equals 4. Then for the second sets of given, we have C equals, so C equals K D square root of E. So this is a joint variation already. Bakit? Kasi we have more than 2 variables this time, except for the constant or the K. Okay? So complete given first sets of values, yung kompleto. So we have C, just substitute it to our equation. So magiging C equals 10, then K, D is 1 times square root of 4. Okay? So we are, yan lagi, K. So now, 10 equals K times 2 times 1. So square root of 4 is 2 times 1. So 2 pa rin. Then divide both sides by 2. So the value of K is 5. Okay, K equals 5. So with the use of the K, we can look for the value of the missing quantity, which is D. So ang D is unknown. So we have value of C 30 equals, or C equals K D square root of E, 9. So that's 30 equals 5 times D times 3. Kasi square root of 9, 3. Okay. 30 equals 15. D divided by 15. So D equals 2. Join. So gano'n lang din gagawin nyo kapag inverse or combined. So lahat naman ng summatives nyo, pinasa nyo eh. So I believe you can pass that also. Sino to? Sino si the mad scientist? Okay na tayo ha. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ang kailangan lang ay you know how to identify the vertex, the x-intercepts, dalawa yon, y-intercept, at saka equation ng directrix. Okay na. Magsikain na kayo. Tom Goods na. Okay na. Bye-bye. Ingat. Sir, teka lang po. Ano yon, Moira? Shout out kay Moira. Yes, sir. Okay, so shout out kay Swaloma. Sino yun? Swaloma. On our next video. Have a good night and keep safe. God bless.